Hi, I'm Sala Farsana. I'm an intern with All India Human Rights Association. I'm here to address a problem, and this is faced by me personally, and I'm pretty sure this is faced by every woman out here. The problem is, it is a battle between marriage and education. And I'll give you an example for a better clarification. If a boy expresses feelings or expresses thoughts such as I don't want to get married now, or I wanted to do my career, or to go for my job, or I wanted to improve my financial status, or I wanted to have a business plan. I'm planning to have a business plan. So if these kind of thought is expressed by a man, the family will be like, okay, beta, take your time. But if the same feeling and the same thought is expressed by a woman, it will be like, you can do it once you get married. There is a lot of time. You can start your business plans, you can do everything once you get married. So here, there is a boundary which is created around a woman from her birth onwards. Or you can say there is a patriarchy which is breathed by every woman, still breathing. And when I discussed this problem with my friends, including male and female, I got a very positive response. They all wanted me to address this problem because this is faced by every woman, that when it comes to her destiny, when it comes to her choices, she is not given any freedom. She is not given any right. And often marriage is forced. She is forced to get married. And throughout her life, she has to regret and she has to go through many mental depressions and many more because she is not living a life which she wanted to be. I got many examples of many friends, like they are educated, they got graduated from reputed universities across the country and across the globe. And once they get married, the in-laws as well as the husband including are not allowing her to work. And they will be like, there is no need for a girl or to get or to earn for this family. So these kind of thoughts, which is completely illogical, and these kind of a thought got its birth from the very old tradition. And when a girl start questioning against this, she is often termed judged, and she'll be going through many problems. And many times I feel like women are not born, but they are created. Like they are constructed. And it is engraved in their bone marrow that they should not question. And if she question it, then that is a big problem. The girl itself is a big problem. So all I want to tell you is that, like Malala Yousafzai said, educate your girls or educate the girls. That's how you invest in them. So like Article 21 of the Indian Constitution, everyone has got the right to live with dignity. So once you start speak out or shout out for yourself, and when you want to snatch your rights and snatch the way you want to live to an empowered life, go speak up and live a life and fly high like you want. And remember, education is the most powerful weapon a woman can ever have. Thank you.